The Venom water-fed pole range is built for professionals who demand strength, reach, and control. Available from 18 to 50 feet in hybrid, full carbon, or high-modulus carbon fiber, Venom poles are lightweight yet rigid, delivering stability and precision at height. With anti-spin clamp fittings, swivel adapters, and pure water from our Aquaspray spray tanks or DI filter systems, they leave glass, cladding, and solar panels spotless. And with prices more affordable than like-for-like competitors, Venom delivers pro performance without the cost. Choose from boar's hair or DuPont nylon brushes, specialist squeegees, and conversion kits that turn your pole into a telescopic pressure washing lance or a roof cleaning system, making many roof jobs safer from the ground, while still giving cleaners the option of scaffolding on taller or complex sites. From windows to solar, facades to roofs, Venom is a complete exterior cleaning platform, affordable, adaptable, and trusted by professionals. Reach a higher level of clean. Available from Equipped to Clean and authorized distribution partners.